Looking for the best dent puller? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 dent puller on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Mookis Paintless Dent Repair Tool Kit. Includes 24 different tabs for pulling out dents of a variety of different shapes and sizes. Can remove small and large dents. Features 40-watt hot glue gun with 10 glue sticks. Included tool bag keeps everything together. A great value for removing a variety of dents yourself. The instructions could be clearer. Glue gun isn't of the best quality. At number 2. Gliston Paintless Dent Repair Tool Set. Includes 24 strong tabs. Can remove dents of different shapes and sizes. Works great for door dings and hail damage. An affordable set that features 24 dent pulling tabs of different sizes and shapes. Directions aren't very detailed. At number 1. BBKANG Paintless Dent Repair Kit. A 60-piece kit means you'll never be hunting around for the right dab. Class-leading 100-watt hot glue gun. Separate dent lifter and puller, plus eco-friendly glue sticks for a well-thought-out package. Comprehensive kit provides high-quality components to tackle every task. Not much. Expensive, but highly rated by users. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.